Guys, my name is Sean Dita. What I've realized about life is a lot of people want to know how to make money online, but they don't want to pay for that sacrifice. Let me tell you something. Making money on the internet requires you to be smart and doing the right thing at the right time. I'm going to be running a free training where I'm going to be showing you how to make serious money on the internet. If you know me very well, you know what I do on my channel is to provide you information to make money on the internet. So I'm going to be doing a free training on Zoom on the 16th of May 2021 where I'm going to be showing you live how to make money on the internet. I'm going to be showing you an investment you can put your money in and you're getting 2% every blessed day, 2% ROI on your investment every day. So if you want to know how to do that, you want to click on the link in the description box of this video, and after that you join the group on the 16th of this month 2020 of this month, which is month of May 2021. I'm going to be doing the training live where I'm going to be breaking it down for you what I'm doing to bring the money onto my table and how you can also do so, because I don't want you to just start stopping yourself, wanting to know how to make money online and you're not getting it, you're not doing it the right way. So I'm going to show you how to do it the right way and how to get the money in the right way. So you know what, just click the link in the description box of this video and we shall meet in the meeting room. So after that you will start making money immediately after the meeting. It's like come your way again. My name is Sean Dita. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more information and for more impactful videos and more helpful videos like this. Till I come your way again. Bye for now. Peace.